Today we're diving into a product that has quickly become a key player on my workbench, whether I'm working on retro computers, delicate electronics, or soldering projects. This is the, I think, Drdefi or Drdefi. I'm going to refer to it as Drdefi Helping Hand Soldering 10x Magnifying Glass with Light and Stand. It is a product with a name that is a mouthful. It's not just for soldering though. It is a multi-purpose tool that works wonders for anyone who needs precision in their work. Let's see what we get in the box. First, there's the soldering magnifying glass with a 4.3-inch real glass lens, which provides up to 10x magnification. 4 ultra-strong magnetic helping hands, 2 long and 2 short gooseneck arms with alligator clips. A solid metal base that keeps everything in place. A desk lamp with adjustable brightness and color temperature. That's pretty cool. Featuring a head switch for easy control. Alligator clips with thick rubber protectors for delicate work. Let's get this unit set up. First, we'll attach the magnetic helping hands. They snap right into place on the metal base and hold incredibly well thanks to the powerful magnets at the bottom of each arm. The alligator clips have been upgraded from a previous model. They're now wider, easier to grip, and come with thicker, heat-resistant rubber protectors. So when I'm working on delicate retro PCs or tiny wires, I can be confident the clips won't damage my components. The flexibility here is great. The gooseneck arms can be repositioned, bent, and adjusted however you need them, giving you total control over your workspace. Now let's talk about the magnifying lamp. This 4.3-inch real glass lens magnifies, as I said, up to 10x, making even the tiniest parts easy to work with. Great for my aging eyes. You can adjust the color temperature from warm to cool, and the brightness is fully adjustable from 10% to 100%. So whether you're working in a bright studio or a dim workspace, you'll get the amount of light needed for your project. I've been using this solder station for everything from fixing retro computers to soldering tiny components for a Raspberry Pi project. The combination of the helping hands and magnifying lamp makes precision work so much easier. Whether you're fine-tuning solder joints or inspecting delicate circuit boards, this setup gives you a clear, well-lit view of your work. One of my favorite features is the convenient head switch button. Instead of fumbling around for a switch at the base or on a cord somewhere, you can easily control the light right at the head of the lamp. And again, I think the beauty of this tool is its versatility. The magnifying lamp can be used with or without the helping hands, and the alligator clips can be removed if you just need a simple lamp for close-up work. It's a 3-in-1 tool, making it ideal for everything from electronic repair to jewelry making and fine crafts. So in a nutshell, whether you're a retro computer enthusiast like me or someone who works with electronics and precision projects, this helping hands and soldering station could be a must for you. For around $50 and even less, if you check out the electronic coupon that's normally included, you're getting an incredibly versatile tool that will elevate your soldering and precision work. Check out the link in the video description to find the latest price and identify any discounts. Before you go, here's something else that might catch your eye, especially if you're into those retro vibes for modern setups. Check out my review of this Yo-Yo monitor, a perfect companion for retro computers and studio setups alike. That's it for me. retroCombs out.